Transferring money from Epfo to a bank account is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, log in to the Unified Member Portal. Then, visit the official Epfo Unified Member Portal. Now log in using your universal account number, password, and CAPTCHA. After that, access the online services. Once logged in, navigate to the Online Services section. Select Claim, Form 31, 19, 10C, and 10D. Under the Online Services section, select the option for Claim, which is Form 31, 19, 10C, and 10D. After that, verify your personal information and ensure that your personal information displayed on the screen is accurate. If needed, update your details in the Profile section. Then select the type of withdrawal and choose the type of withdrawal you want to make. In most cases, if you're withdrawing for purposes like partial withdrawal or full settlement, select the appropriate option. Now, you have to complete the withdrawal form. Fill in the required details in the withdrawal form. This may include your bank account details, reason for withdrawal, and other necessary information. And now, upload required documents depending on the type of withdrawal. You may need to upload supporting documents. For example, for partial withdrawals, you might need to submit medical certificates or other relevant documents. Then, you have to submit the claim. After completing the form and uploading documents, submit the claim. Also, you can track the status of your withdrawal claim through the Epfo portal. Epfo usually provides updates on the progress of your application. Then, verification and approval. Epfo will verify the details provided and approve the withdrawal request. This process may take some time. Then, the money transfer to the bank account. Once the withdrawal request is approved, the funds will be transferred to the bank account linked to your Epfo account.